Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the pinnacle of luxury living in one of St. Anne's most prestigious gated communities, Mansfield Estate. Sitting on 0.36 acres, this grand 7-bedroom, 6.5-bathroom residence is a rare gem, offering an expansive land space and breathtaking, unobstructed views that stretch for miles. Set within an elite 24-hour secured community, Mansfield Estate is home to some of the region's most influential figures, making this address a true symbol of power, privacy, and prestige. Only a select few have the privilege of calling this exclusive enclave home. Every inch of this property exudes grandeur and sophistication, from its spacious interiors to the vast outdoor space that provides endless possibilities. This estate is perfect for Airbnb or a high-end vacation villa. With its spacious layout, prime location, and stunning views, this property can attract premium clientele, ensuring strong rental income year-round. Guests will enjoy the serenity, security, and elegance that only Mansfield Estate can offer. This is more than just a home, it's a statement of success. Opportunities like this don't come often. Secure your place among St. Anne's elite today. Call now to schedule a private viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2.5 million, Jamaican 394.4 million, Canadian 3.5 million, or 1.94 million pounds. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.